So welcome everyone, welcome to another video to my channel. Today I will explain that how to recover a dead DJI battery. So this battery is a Matrice 600 Pro battery, and it was seems totally dead. Like you will search on the internet, in YouTube you will find several videos which explain that a DJI battery, it's maybe a Mavic battery or a Matrice 600 Pro, which is discontinued right now. So these kind of batteries are dead. So dead means the sample one like this, if I press the switch there is no LED. So that's supposed to happen when a battery seems to be dead. So how you can recover that battery is that you have to balance charge all the cells. Like here I am replacing the actual lithium polymer battery, this kind of battery, with the lithium ion battery like this one. So what I have to do is that I have to charge each cell through a balance connector and a balance charger. You will need a balance charger for that, and after that you have to pull out this balance connector, this one here. Here it is. In every DJI battery you will find one that balance port connector, and that is also connected with SCL and SDA port. This white color, sorry, this yellow and red color wire, these are SCL and SDA line, and the rest of the black wire is the balance port, the balance charging connector of the DJI battery. So you have to charge first of all this battery to 4.2 volt or whatever is the maximum voltage of your battery, and then you have to connect it with the balance charging port. Right now, like, I have sorted all the wires. Like, this is a 6-cell battery, and I have individually connected all those wires to this balance port wire, and then you have to disconnect this port, because as much as it is connected, because when it is connected, the power line is connected to, with the board will not reset, and it will shows that even if you charge all these batteries, all these cells, even it will be dead, there will be no LED. So what you have to do, you just pull out this plug and keep it disconnected for around 30 seconds or 1 minute, and then you will connect this balance port with the board. You will see the LED will on here. Like, if I press, you see the this board showing that the battery is fully charged, as 4 of the LED are on. So before that there was no LED on the board. Even whenever I press the switch like this battery, so there is no LED. This one is just a dummy. I mean, I'm going to recover another battery, so from there I got this one as a demo. So this is the solution, and I hope it will work 100%, because in worldwide several customers are suffering from this dead battery problem. So here is the solution, and I think it will work definitely. So if you need any other details, declaration, or any explanation, please do comment on the comment section. I will try to help you at my best. Okay, thank you very much. See you on the next video.